everyone, and thank you for joining us again here on the Crypto Weather channel. Bitcoin has officially grown into a fully mature bull market. So we are completely out of bear market territory. We have been for some time now, especially after we crossed our slow moving average here and closed above it and hit category one strength. But now we are a fully mature bull market here in the Bitcoin universe here. So we just wanted to take a look at some of the past bull markets once they fully matured to category five strength. As you know, here at the Crypto Weather channel, once we reach category five, that it's a full-fledged bull market. That doesn't mean that as you'll see, that doesn't mean that we're gonna just blast off towards the moon here after we reach category five, but it is a fully mature bull market, very strong in strength. And so let's go back. Let's zoom out here, go back to the second bull market, and we will start there. So as you can see in the second bull market, we started below the future halving price here, which at that time was $12.35. And excuse me, and we reached category five strength below the future halving price as well. And shortly after that, we went up and surpassed the future halving price after reaching category five strength. So moving on to the third bull market, we had the same sort of deal where the bull market developed starting at category one below the future halving price up here, which at that time was roughly 652 US dollars, and reaching category five strength as well below the future halving price. And shortly after that, we went up and surpassed the future halving price there without, I may add, without going back first into a bear market. Very, very important. So let's move over to the next bull market. I believe this was the fourth. Yes, the fourth bull market. So this one started below the future halving price. All right, category one here. Here's the future halving price, which at that time was roughly 8,571 US dollars. All right, not reaching category five until we got above it. Right, and so then that led us back into a bear market here after reaching, full strength category five. So this leads us to believe that, possibly there's some relationship between when we hit category five, whether we continue on from there or if we head back down into a bull or a bear market rather after reaching category five strength. So let's move on to the next bull market here. So now this one is a little bit complex because we started our category one, right? We started our bull market and hit category one strength above what was at that time the future halving price, right? Which was, still the 8,571 US dollars. But as the bull market progressed, the halving happened, right? So this is no longer the future halving price here. Now our future halving price is 36,976 US dollars at that time. All right. And so once we hit category 5 strength here in August, that was below the future halving price. All right. And so we went ahead and moved up towards and surpassed the future halving price after reaching, after reaching category 5 strength there. All right. So let's move over to our current bull market. We developed into a bull market and hit category 1 strength here back in March, below the future halving price, which at the current moment is still the 36,976 US dollars roughly. And we also progressed and developed into a category 5 bull market below the future halving price as well. So looking, taking our historical data into account, given the fact that we have developed into a full bull market below the future halving price, could there be the possibility that this is just the beginning and we are getting ready to move up towards the future halving price here sometime in the very near future, or maybe not even the near future? Just the fact that we will move up towards the future halving price, right, sometime in the future without going back down into a bear market beforehand, right? And so this is something we'll just have to keep an eye on, and see if this phenomenon holds true, with whether we develop, below or above the future halving price, where we go from there. But based off of this historical data, it's highly unlikely that despite this recent downtrend in the price here, or not necessarily a trend, but this recent drop in price here, it's highly unlikely that we will head back down into another bear market. But instead, this is just normal up and down price action as we head up towards the future halving price here sometime in the future. But we'll be sure to keep you posted as the situation develops. Thanks for watching.